I want to kick things off by sharing a bit of my own journey. Back in my student days, I faced challenges. Oh boy, did I. But what kept me going was the unwavering belief that education could unlock doors to a brighter future. No matter the hurdles, I knew I had to persevere.
There were times when assignments seemed never-ending. Exams felt like a mountain to climb, and doubts crept in. But let me tell you, every obstacle I faced was a stepping stone to a greater version of myself. It wasn't always easy, but it was definitely worth it.
Motivational tips. So let's talk about some practical tips to keep that fire burning. First and foremost, set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you and break it down into achievable steps. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your academic success won't happen overnight. Celebrate progress. Don't forget to celebrate your victories along the way. Whether it's acing a quiz, finishing a tough assignment, or simply grasping a complex concept, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You're doing amazing, and you deserve to acknowledge it. Positive mindset. Now, let's talk about mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is a game changer. When the going gets tough, remember that challenges are opportunities in disguise. Embrace the process, learn from setbacks, and keep moving forward. Break it down. Speaking of breaking things down, it's crucial to break your study sessions into manageable chunks. Tackling a little at a time not only makes it less overwhelming, but also helps in retaining information better. Study techniques. Effective time management is another key to success. Plan your study sessions, but also make time for breaks. Your brain needs time to recharge. And don't be afraid to experiment with different study techniques. Find what works best for you, whether it's mind mapping, teaching the material to a friend, or using online resources. Encouragement. I want to leave you with this. You have the power to shape your academic destiny. Believe in yourself, because if you don't, who will? You are capable of greatness, and your educational journey is a testament to your resilience and strength.
Thank you for joining me today on MKH Empower Channel. If you found this speech helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who might need a boost, and subscribe for more motivational content. Remember, your potential is limitless, and with the right mindset, dedication, and a sprinkle of motivation, you can achieve anything. Until next time, keep studying, keep striving, and keep shining. You've got this.